If you've been trying to register your account on Grindr, but you've been getting the registration error, we're going to learn a couple of fixes on how we can fix that. But before we get started, do make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're getting the Grindr registration error, there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. First, make sure it's not the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. Once you've done that, you can simply also open up settings if you're using Android. From settings, scroll down to the apps section and tap on it. From the search bar, simply search for Grindr. Now, go to storage, clear the cache files and clear the data, which will reset the app. If you're using iPhone, you have to simply offload the app instead. Now what we can do is go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Grindr app, check if the app has an update available, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.